How does moving to a new state affect your NFA gun trust? Have you ever wondered how relocating to a new state impacts your National Firearms Act gun trust? It's a topic that many gun owners may not fully understand. Let's break it down step by step. When you move across state lines, there are specific rules you need to follow regarding your National Firearms Act firearms. These firearms include short-barreled rifles, short-barreled shotguns, machine guns, and destructive devices. First off, if you own non-exempt National Firearms Act firearms, you must get permission from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives before transporting them. This is done by submitting an ADF Form 5320.20. This form is your official request to move these firearms across state lines. It's important to note that silencers and any other weapons are exempt from this requirement, so you can transport those without prior approval. Now, if you are moving non-exempt firearms, you will need to wait for approval from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives. This process can take several weeks, so plan ahead. If you do not receive approval and transport your firearms anyway, you could face serious legal issues. Another critical aspect to consider is the laws of your new state. Each state has its own regulations regarding firearm possession. If the firearm you own is not allowed in your new state, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives will deny your request to move it. Therefore, it's essential to research the laws in your new location to ensure compliance. After you have moved, you should update your address with the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives for all your National Firearms Act firearms. This is necessary even if the firearm is exempt from the pre-move approval process. Keeping your information current ensures that the National Firearms Registration and Transfer Record reflects your new address. If your firearms are held in a trust, the trust itself does not need to be changed just because you moved. However, it is wise to review the trust documents to ensure they comply with the laws of your new state. This can help avoid any future complications. From a conservative viewpoint, many believe that these regulations are overly restrictive for responsible gun owners. They argue that such regulations infringe upon Second Amendment rights and should be simplified to make it easier for law-abiding citizens to move their legally owned firearms. However, it is crucial to follow these regulations to prevent any legal troubles. So, if you are planning to move, make sure you understand the requirements for your National Firearms Act gun trust and the specific laws of your new state. This way, you can enjoy your Second Amendment rights without any hiccups.